Model. We'll see the next problem. A company limited achieved an EPS of rupees 25. Its rate of return was 15%. Cost of equity was 14%. Rate of return means it is R. Cost of equity means K, 14%. Using Gordon's model, calculate market price, that is P, of the equity shares of the company. If the payout ratio is 25%, 30%, and 40%. So payout ratio means what? Payout ratio, as per the formula of Gordon's model, it is 1 minus P. Here is a formula. P is equals to E into 1 minus B divided by KE minus BR. Here EPS is rupees 25. Cost of equity is 0.14. That is 14% means it is 0.14. And rate of return, it is 15%. That means 0.15. Payout ratio is 25%. Let's calculate what is the market price. EPS is 25. Retention ratio, that is B, means retention ratio 100 minus 25, that is 75%, means 0.75. Cost of equity is 0.14. Then rate of return R is 0.15. E is 25 into 1 minus B, 0.75. KE 0.14 minus B 0.75. R is 0.15. B into R. 25 into 0.25 divided by 0.14 minus 0.1125. 6.25 divided by 0.027. So market price P is equals to 227.27 rupees. Like that, have calculated for 30% payout ratio. B is a retention ratio. 100 minus 30 means it is 70%. 0.70 is B. E is 25. E into 1 minus B divided by KE 0.14 minus B into R. So I got answer rupees 214.25 market price. Then third circumstance, when market price, if payout ratio is 40%, what is the market price? So payout ratio is 40%, then retention ratio will be 60%. P means retention ratio. So that is 0.60, and we'll get the market price by calculating, that is rupees 200. Let's see the next problem. The following companies are selected for having the return on investment at 12%. R is 12% and EPS rupees 20, and cost of capital and dividend payout ratio are different. So these two are different, and that is given here of 5 different companies given. Dividend payout ratio means it is 1 minus B. Dividend payout ratio in formula, it is represented as 1 minus B. Cost of capital means it is KE. So we'll calculate market price by using Gordon's model. First company, Ambari, and its market price calculation. This is a formula. As per problem, EPS is rupees 20 and 1 minus B for first company, it is 10%. So B means 100 minus 10%, it is 90%, that is 0.9. KE is 0.16. Then return on investment, that is R, is 0.12. P is equals to 20 into 1 minus 0.9 divided by 0.16 minus 0.9 into 0.12. 0.52. So market price is rupees 38.46. So like that, we calculated for second company where payout ratio is 20%. So B is equals to 100 minus 20, that is 80%. So retention ratio B is 0.80. Cost of equity is 0.15, and return on investment, that is same, 0.12, and EPS also same, 20. So by applying the formula, we got the market price, that is 74.07. And for the third company, Hamsa, payout ratio is 30%. So retention ratio B is equals to 70%, 100 minus 30. So that is 0.70. Cost of equity is 0.14, and market price is 107.14. And fourth company where payout ratio is 50 and cost of equity is 12, retention ratio is 60%, that means 0.60, cost of equity is 0.13, and we got the market price rupees 137.93. And the last company, and its payout ratio is 50. Before that it was 40%, no? Yeah. And retention ratio is 50, cost of equity is 12, and market price is rupees 166.67. See the last problem under this. Using following data, calculate the share price based on Gordon's model. So 3 companies information given: return on investment 24%, 19%, 13%, that is R, cost of equity KE 18, 19 and 15%, EPS E 9, 6 and 4 rupees. Retention ratio means retention ratio given, not payout ratio. Retention ratio I'll write, that is small letter B, 30%, 30%, 30%. Calculate. We need to calculate market price. So formula is, we'll calculate for first company, E into 1 minus B divided by KE minus PR. So EPS given for first company, it is it is rupees 9. So E is 9. Retention ratio means B, it is 30%, 0.30. Cost of equity 18%, 0.18. And return on investment R is 0.24. So 9 into 1 minus 0.30 divided by 0.18 minus 0.30 into 0.24. So 9 into 0.7. So 1 minus 0.3 means 0.7. 0.30 into 0.24 will get 0.072. So 0.18 minus 0.72 will get 6.3 divided by 0.108. Answer, that is market price for first company, rupees 53.33. And second company where payout ratio not given, retention ratio given, that is also 30. So B is 30, but that means 0.30. EPS of second company is 6, and cost of equity 0.19. Return on investment, it is 13%. So 6 into 1 minus 0.30 divided by 0.19 minus 0.30 into 0.19. 6 into 0.7, how we got 1 minus 0.3, 0.7 minus 0.30 into 0.19, you'll get 0.057. So 0.19 minus 0.57, you'll get 0.133. 4.2 divided by 0.133. Market price is rupees 31.58. And third company, O Limited, EPS is rupees 4, and retention ratio 30%, it is 0.30. Cost of equity is 0.15. 0.13 is a return on investment. So we got market price rupees 25.22.